I don't know. I've never really been any good at talking to the camera apart. So as we were coming in to download, we were supposed to be in the west car park, which is the closest to Quiet Camp. But when we got there, it turned out that the west car park was already full and they weren't letting anyone else in there. And so we had to go to the east car park, which is the furthest possible thing away from where we wanted to be. It's about 3 hours to walk with all our camping gear up and along through all the other campsites before we finally got to Yellow Campsite. It was quite annoying and very tiring. Due to the lack of maps, we learned that there was a shortcut we could have taken. Instead of turning left at the doghouse and through village, we could have just keep going past the doghouse and there was a shortcut. So, after a very long day yesterday, we finally found the campsite and I don't know, I've never really been any good at talking to the camera apart.
just the anarchy and the Jägermeister flag. Let's go.
Tell me what you like about Download.
People help you.
People will help you.
All the weird shit.
All the weird shit.
And the sparkly stuff. And the multicolored stuff.
Yeah. Dave.
Yeah.
What's your favourite thing about Download?
Crap.
Neutral travel partner to UK guests.
It's just fun.